Well, this is obviously Hurricane Milton. What I wanted to show you is I wanted to map out from the outer rain bands how wide this hurricane is. 451 miles. Really hard to imagine, even knowing that, how massive these strong hurricanes can be. Again, already producing heavy rain bands in southern Florida this morning. Here's the latest from the Hurricane Center. It's moving out into the open Gulf waters once again. 145 mile per hour sustained winds around the eye wall. It's a strong Category 4 storm. Is expected to bump up to a 5 and then be potentially a 4 when it makes landfall around Tampa at some point tomorrow night. So with that said, here's the actual track. There it is tomorrow afternoon, 2 o'clock East Coast time. Now you're getting winds picking up. You're getting heavy rain all the way into Tampa. You got the eye offshore, and then this times out the eye somewhere around tomorrow overnight, midnight into 2 a.m. Thursday. Again, it could be a Cat 4 when it makes landfall, then it quickly weakens to a 3. And then this really catches your attention. It could be a Category 3 storm from just inland along the Gulf Coast of Florida all the way across the peninsula up into the Daytona Beach area. And this would be tomorrow overnight going into Thursday morning. And if that's the case, this entire swath would probably have winds gusting at least to 70, 80 miles per hour inland at the surface. And again, the heaviest rain will be near this area and then down to the south. Hurricane Center projecting winds rains anywhere from upwards of a foot to isolated amounts of 18 inches. And they're also projecting the storm surge as high as 15 feet near the Tampa Bay area and then to the south. Here's Futurecast. This is would be 10:14 tomorrow evening East Coast time with the eye starting to push inland. Now there is good news in that rain itself looks like it's mostly going to be over Florida. Bad news for Florida. But it does spare the communities up in Georgia and the Carolinas and eastern Kentucky and Tennessee that are still dealing with the massive flooding they had from Helene.